Hello and thank you for joining me. I'm Heather Forgan of stampwithnellie.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK. And today it's catalogue day. So this catalogue has just launched today, the 1st of May 2024. So I can now show you the inside of it, and it is absolutely fabulous. I love it, love it, love it. I'm not going to show you all. That's not why I'm here. I'm here because I am taking part in the Stamp Around UK video hop. So there will be a list of all of the other participants in the video hop in the description for this video. So please click on that more button and check out the description, get the links and hop round to see what everyone else has created. Our theme for this month is Monochrome. So I am going with Melon Mambo. And one of the things I absolutely love about this new catalogue is that it has so much inspiration in it. So it's not just all about the products. There are lots of other hints and tips and techniques that you can try out. So it's a great source of inspiration. So I'm going to pick one of these card layouts. I'm going with this one here. Okay, so we've just got a nice background and 2 circles, a sentiment and a little bit of ribbon. And as I say, I am using Melon Mambo and white. And even although we've got a brand new catalogue and it's lots of new things, you won't have them yet, but you might have this of Art and Texture, which is an online exclusive stamp set and great for doing monochrome because you can build up your own patterns. If you don't have designer series paper, that coordinates. So I haven't even decided what I'm doing, which stamps I'm using or anything. So it's a make it up as you go along video. But what I am going to do is add some stamping to the actual card base, because I want to have lots of texture on this. If you've only got one colour, use lots of it. So my grid mat will be getting mucky, and that's fine. Trying to vary it a bit. Inevitably it will just end up being very much a pattern. Okay, so that's my background and I've got a layer to put on there. Now in this sketch it actually has a smaller layer and is offset to one side, but sketches are there for inspiration. You don't have to follow them blindly. Then I'm going to have some stamped circles, and I'm going to use, I've not used this one. Do we fit? Yes, we do. Okay, so I'm going to stamp this on here a few times, and then I'm going to punch a circle out of it. So I've done way more than I need to. And oops, I am using my 2-inch circle punch, which is another online exclusive product, and then I'm just going to find the bit I like most. Yeah, like that. You're going to go in there. I'm going to stamp a different pattern. Let's go, how about this one? Ink it all up. Ooh, that's nice. I like it. I think we might have enough there to stamp out my circle. Stamp out, punch out my circle. Oh yes, like that. Like that lots. So I think we need a little bit of stamping on that white. Or I do need to trim it down a bit. What do you think? What do we think? What I think I will do is there's a nice little splatter. So I don't need to do it all the way around. I can just do a few little bits. We've got some splashes on there. Smaller bits. Like it. Okay, so we've got that on there, that on there, that on there. Kind of feel I need something in that little, tiny little bit up there. Just that'll do to break it up that little bit more. That there, that there. We need a sentiment, so I am actually using a brand new set for my sentiment. This is Simply Said, and I am going with thanks. She had to look and see what she'd cut, what she'd put on the block. And this is bigger than I need it to be. So I'm going to stamp it down the bottom and then I'll trim it. And then I've got some white twine from the Essentials pack, but this is left over from a previous pack, and I've got lots of inky stamps all over the place. Love it. So yeah, let's trim this down first. Got my little guillotine. Let's line that up there. That should do. And then I want to trim it down a little. Not sure that's entirely straight. That's better. Right, so oh, I quite like that. That little bit of an angle. Let's go rogue even more. As I say, the sketches are a starting point. And I think I'm going to put this one down flat. I really like that. And then get some dimensionals. That's going to go over there. Middle, there we go. Get my picky. tap the backings off if I can't get them off with my nails. There we go. And this probably looked nothing like the original sketch, but lots of that lovely twine. Is that a bit much? Yes, I think so. It's just a narrow sentiment. Scissors. Give it a little twist. Do it slightly off center. And I'm going to get a piece of 10 tape. I was going to go glue dot there, but it's maybe a bit much for glue dot. Pop that on there like that. Take the backing off. Put that twine on there. Spread it about a little bit to get most of it on there. And then that is going to go over there. So I want to put a dimensional at that end. And I'll put glue at that end there. Take the backing off the dimensional. And pop that right over there like that. And I think final touch will be some embellishments. And there are some Melon Mambo ones in the Glossy Dots assortment. And these have been around for quite a while, but they are still in the new catalogue. So I hope you've enjoyed this. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please click on that subscribe button. Click the bell, get notification the next time I upload a tutorial. And please do remember to check out everyone else taking part in the Stampin' Around UK video hop. Thanks for watching. Bye.